Hi guys, I was gifted this sump pump from the seller so I could show you all its cool features and how to set it up. It does come with a long power cord here, and it does have the float switch which will go up and down. So I'm going to go set it up in this tank that I have outside, and I'll hook it up to a hose and show you how good it pumps. Okay guys, I got the sump pump all hooked up to electrical. I'm just going to do a temporary, I just need to temporarily pump out some water. So I'm going to use this temporary pipe here. You'll see how powerful it is. If you need a permanent solution, you can go ahead and use PVC to connect this and leave it down in your sump all the time. It has a nice ring here on the top. Don't forget to tie your rope on there to put it down in the sump that you're using it. And it does have that automatic float. When it goes up, it turns on, and when it goes down, it'll turn off. So it'll keep your sump level at this level. So it'll automatically, keep your sump. Go ahead and throw it down my sump hole. I need to take the lid off, and I'll throw it down there and show you how it moves water. All right, I plugged it in and it took off like crazy. You can see it's blowing all kinds of water here. This sump pump is a 1/2 horsepower, all copper, oil immersed motor. 4,600 gallons per hour. The maximum head is 22 feet. It has automatic operation. A built-in vertical float switch enables long-term, fully automatic operation with plug-and-play functionality. It is durable, a fully electroplated, corrosion-resistant cast iron casting resists sewage corrosion, ensuring a long lifespan and minimal maintenance. Its compact design requires only a sump diameter of 10 inches by a depth of 14 inches, compatible with most standard drainage systems. So if you guys need a sump pump for your sump, for whatever your needs of moving water, go ahead and get this one. This thing is seriously powerful. I couldn't believe how quickly it started pumping water after I hit the power button. It was working great. So if you need one, go ahead and get one. Thanks.